That's a Johnny FPV prop right there.
Somebody just lost their juicy.
They had juice and they no longer do. But guess what? I've got all the juice now.
Everyone stand around here so we can all hear each other. Death trap.
All right, what we doing?
We're going to fuck that tunnel up.
I see a speedy.
What tunnel? Dude, we're gonna explode
This is
Yes, that's the point.
What up? After we fly, put my camera in a safe spot.
All right, let's just do power loops on that stair set. I'm going.
Go.
Oh, my video. Whose video is not good?
My video's great.
All right, let's go.
Bring it back. Oh fuck, there's like 8 quads past.
Woo! I see all you guys.
Power looping.
Me?
Power looping on the center spot, like over and over.
That's the center spot? Wait, going which way? Up the stairs or down the stairs?
How many don't have flying?
Just go? Okay, going.
8 pilots.
Oh god!
I haven't seen you yet.
Here we go. Are we going the wrong way? Are we going the wrong way?
Yeah, we're going the opposite. Oh god.
Alright, cool, let's keep it up.
Oh god. Alright, Connie, you're on the right side of the stairs. Keep going. What are you doing?
Okay, coming.
Who's exploding? Oh, I got hit. I got hit by somebody.
Not me.
You good? I think I'm good.
Oh, I see somebody. Keep going.
One of my props is oh god. Who is
This is great! I see somebody, give it up, I'm right behind you! Oh, I hit the rail. Hold on. Okay, I'm good. Alright, hold on.
Actually, I want to follow you on the line that we originally did. Bring it back, go to the pillar.
Hold on, my camera angle is fucked. Fuck it, let's go. I'm behind you.
Somebody's got a battery sag and hanging off their ass.
Oh shit, is that me? I feel like I'm dangling. Let me come back.
You got one of them dingleberries?
I do.
Dude, all I just saw was just like quad.
I wish we were looking at your video because in mine it was like 1 quad. And then like probably you were following me the whole time.
See guys, that's what it's all about, man. Just having stupid fun. Hold up, this man's got an acrobat shirt on.
So what happened?
How you doing?
Mr. Tibakian, it is a great pleasure to meet you.
Oh, likewise, sir.
And it's all your fault. I spent about 10 grand last year on FPV stuff.
10 grand! Oh my goodness.
Nice to meet you.
Wait, I didn't catch your name.
Brad?
Brad, nice to meet you, Brad. Wait, Brad?
That Brad.
Brad. Okay. I know him, but online. I just never put a face to the name.
How are you, Stu?
He's got an acrobat shirt on, so I mean.
Yeah, well, that's what I saw. So I'm like, wait, I know that shirt. Alright, y'all, I wrapped up on my shoot out here in New York. It's for a music video. I can't tell you guys for which music artist, but I promise you it's going to be absolutely sick. But anyways, I just gotta say, it's like the funnest thing ever. All you gotta really do, to be honest, is just have fun with your friends. We weren't even trying to do any tricks. We were just trying to do some basic stuff, but it was just so much fun to fly FPV with your friends. So this next part is like this ongoing game between Kevin and Corey. Basically a game of quad where they basically just challenge each other to do a trick. It's like horse. And for as long as I can remember, this game has been going on forever. And Kevin, actually both, well, you'll see. This guy is talented. Oh, that's right. Because we can't show the radio that's behind his hand. All I know is that it rhymes with Wango.
Someone lost all their juice. It's right here.
Here's the juice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dude, I can't believe Kevin's flying behind his back. I can't believe that shit either.
Look at that talented guy. Look at that power loop.
Holy shit!
That's better than your normal power loop.
All right, Corey.
That was the trick! That's the trick!
No, he's still gonna set the first letter. I take a letter. I take a letter. You doing what?
He takes a letter and raises you another one.
Oh, so did you just take a letter? I just took a letter.
He took a letter on live. Yeah!
But you know
He's got a K.
Look at this shit.
He's got a K.
Fucking power loop that
Corey.
shit. And what am I doing?
You gotta fly with the radio behind your back and do a power loop.
The weird thing would just be that shit.
Yeah, no.
The controls aren't really in, bro.
Alright, flying behind the back. Fuck it up! Oh! That was fucking clean, too. That might be a letter.
I think that might be. You might be flying better than your normal flying, bro. You might need to stay like that.
Dude. Wait, backwards power loop behind the back.
Oh, wait. Yeah, alright.
Alright, Kevin's gonna fucking backwards power loop behind the back.
Corey, you look worried.
This is some wizardry, boy.
This is some wizardry.
Oh, fuck. Yes.
You're slapping.
Come on. Come on, you got it.
You ain't got it, boy. You can't do that, boy.
We got bodies in the way. 5.8 video is sucking. 5.8 video. That potato. That fucking potato. Oh my. Oh, so close. Dude, that fucking potato video.
That boy writing checks his ass can't cash, guys.
Shit. That's what he meant. Totally failed first day. I don't give a fuck. Ah, so close.
I hate to prey on somebody's downfall, but I really hope he doesn't get this.
That's not good. Wait.
There he goes.
There it is.
Oh!
That counts. That counts. Holy shit.
That counts.
Reverse power loop, bitch.
We have a whole audience going nuts right now. All right, Cricket, you're up.
I don't have any props, man. I got a whole car full for you.
Holy shit.
I've never flown anything behind
What are you doing now?
I'm gonna do this the first time.
Woo! Hey, let me see that radio, bro.
Is that why he started flying behind his back?
Yeah.
Stuff going on right now, but it doesn't matter that he flew behind the back.
That's so funny.
Cricket,
I'm putting the props on.
You think this
hurry
weather's
up,
so
man.
good?
Live stream's live.
Look at them fucking fresh ass
Spit on it.
Oreos.
I know.
Little spit shine.
I think I got it first try.
Oh, first try. I like the confidence.
I think I got it.
Get it.
Bro, we got
If you can pull this
Eric's
off,
been working on 6-inch props. It's happening, bro.
if you can
Somebody
pull
get
it
the
off,
good.
then
Wait,
you
we
can
need
take the
DJI
lead.
goggles. Somebody get the DJI goggles.
You ready? You got props on the right way, or are you gonna be a noob and that shit's gonna flip?
I'm gonna start off back.
Woohoo! Here it is. Here it is. Here it is.
You gotta admit, I flew pretty damn well with the radio behind the back. I was impressed.
Every time you crashed, I was like,
So, my man Corey, he's gotta
My GoPro's
pull this trick off so he doesn't get a letter. But he's gotta do it with the radio behind his back. He's on.
How well this is gonna work?
Oh! Shit. Oh!
2. What's this say? 2.
8. That's 2. It's on 2 now. It started off on 8.
Hey, bro.
Is that?
That's not.
Who's the judge?
It's behind my back.
Ruling. We need a ruling.
It is behind the back.
Under your back. Am I right?
We need a ruling.
Behind my back. All right. We need a ruling.
We need a ruling.
Live stream.
Live stream.
Does everybody
Live stream.
think that this is like? Does that count or no?
Is that fair or no?
Behind my back. Everyone's got to comment if that counts. Does that count?
Send $1 if you think that doesn't count. I mean, if it counts.
No.
You gotta stand. They're all saying.
Stand up or cheese.
They're all saying you gotta stand. No, it's the whole comment.
Where's Team Cricket? What the fuck?
Stand. Everyone's gotta stand.
He's laying on the
All right, let's see. Woo! Starting it out
I
backwards.
don't even know what's happening. Okay, there we go.
Oh God.
Oh fuck!
Whoa!
Don't watch out for us, bro.
Oh God, is that us? All right.
It was for a second. What does 202 minutes mean? Does that mean how many?
That's probably how long it's plugged in.
He's got this shit. That's what he said. I don't. Oh, you got that shit, eh?
You got it? Huh?
Whoa! Watch out for that potato video. You getting that potato? I see it. All right.
Here it is.
Holy shit, you are flat as shit.
It is so quiet. It is so quiet.
Zane Harper. I don't know. Yes, I do. I do know.
Oh! He ain't got it. He ain't got it.
Shit.
Hey, as long as he can get back up, he's gonna keep going. Right? Isn't that the rule?
Yeah. No, I mean, as long as he's got a working quad, he can keep trying.
Well, now it's 3S because it's colder out.
Oh, potato. I think.
My Netflix.
I think John's in the. John's in
My
the way.
Netflix.
Okay, it looks pretty good.
Dang.
No, you gotta go back under. Get the fuck out of here. You know you have to go back under.
Are you kidding me? You gotta do it again. Come on, Stevie Wonder. Stevie Wonder. Yeah, he is Stevie Wonder.
It's real weird with your hands behind your back.
That's what she said.
I like it, baby.
Hey, what camera is that?
That DJI special.
Oh shit! All right.
Dude, he's coming in hot.
Woo! He's coming in with that speed now.
That boy fucking.
Oh!
Oh, potato.
Potato.
It's fucking full frozen.
Full frozen.
Uh-oh.
Does that mean I'm gonna get to use that planned title?
I don't want to hear that.
God damn it!
Letter!
I still say I got it the first time.
I mean,
You gotta get back under.
It was
I didn't know that. I thought it was reverse power loop.
Yeah, a reverse power loop where you go under the thing twice.
Shit. Oh. All right, hold up. Cricket's back up. Let's get this.
like as a group.
Here we go.
Boom, boom, boom.
Oh!
It sounded like a chainsaw exploded.
Trash can. It's a trash can.
Bro, I think you got a letter. I think you got a letter.
Sounds kind of savage in there. He's out though.
Cricket ain't.
There we go.
Oh fuck, he's out. What
man,
the hell?
those props sound good.
Dude, what are we eating for dinner?
What an egg.
FBI.
Gonna kill all FPV in one swoop.
Oh shit, that trash can though.
This person.
I'm gonna take the fucking letter.
Oh, snap!
I'm gonna take the letter. But I'm only going to do this because you took the other letter. And I feel like we're even now, alright?
Even letter.
I don't like taking L's, man. This is bullshit.
Woo!
But I think this shouldn't even count. This behind the back shit. That's like, hold on. Let me leave my transmitter here. Sit on it like that. And I'm going to power loop it. That's bullshit. Now my quad's on fire.
Alright, so it's time for me to go and post-process, stabilize all of these shots. But while I'm doing this, y'all should check out this next part where basically Steele and I decided that we want to keep doing our chasing stuff, but a different line. Little funny something happens afterwards. Check it out.
Yes!
Oh, it's still powering
Yes! That is freaking awesome, dude! I'm right here!
He's like fucking cha-ching, cha-ching.
Oh! Oh, snap! Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm fucking so happy. That was all my footage of all the crazy shit going on today. Yeah. I was too excited. I just wanted to keep flying. This is one of those things I just want to keep flying. Yeah, wait. Steel, shut up.
Bunny hopping.
I don't know where it's at.
I'm like, no, I bet it's over
No, I think
there.
he's trying to say something like, oh, maybe it's over there.
That's Steel Talker. Your fucking quad's over here, bitch. It's right here.
That was so funny. And it was still recording. It was great. And that's another crazy day in ATL. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all later. What are we eating? Alright, y'all, so basically I just want to share with you guys like a typical day out with the FPV homies and the Atlanta crew. And I just want to share with you guys because like this is kind of the only footage that I had with me while I'm on this trip. But at the same time, I also just wanted to share it because like I feel like during this time with this pandemic, maybe it's a little bit hard to kind of, you know, or I guess what I'm trying to say is maybe it's easy to lose sight of, you know, what's important in life. And for me personally, I realize that it's friends and family and the connection and like the relationships that you got with people. And for me, FPV has really opened that in a big way. And so I just want to give a shout out to all of my FPV friends out there. And for all you guys that are watching, I hope that you find something similar, you know, and if it's not with FPV, then hopefully with something else. So say what's up to your friends, say I love you to your family, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.